Hey, what's up, guys and gals? It's me, T. How y'all been doing? I hope you're enjoying your Memorial Day weekend. I was out doing a few things, setting up a few surprises for a few of my buddies on a video I'm going to be doing a week or two from now. And a few guys will know what I'm talking about. But otherwise than that, how y'all guys are doing? I'm doing great. I hope y'all enjoy your weekend. And we're starting off late this weekend, but I'm going to be here doing videos tomorrow, so it's just as well. Anyway, so what we're doing right now, we're going to tip off our series of classics of the 40s and 50s with a little more Abbott and Costello. And I'm doing a little bit of those guys so we can have a little bit backlog of them so you can see how funny these guys are. And we're getting ready to do one called Handcuffs. And I kind of remember the policeman in the show that Abbott and Costello used to always torment, and this is part of it. So I hope you guys like it, hope you guys enjoy it. And without any further ado, if you don't want to hear anything more about it, let me know, and please like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get alerts when we drop more videos. And we'll get right to it with no further ado. I have the clip, and let's get at it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, guys, make us laugh. Everybody's been waiting.
Mike, I tell you, I didn't do it! Put up to the mouth out of you. Now I'm really taking you in. I said if you don't stop fighting me, I'm gonna put the handcuffs on you.
You cut it out, Mike!
I'll put the handcuffs on you.
Well, put them out, but
All
don't
right, I will.
Thing here.
All right, put out your arms. Put them out.
You gonna put the handcuffs
Yes,
on like
I'm gonna
that?
put just like that.
Hey, Mike, you put the handcuffs on me like that, you know what would happen?
What would happen?
That's a foolish policeman.
What are you talking
You put
about?
the handcuffs on me like that, I say to you, bend over like that. When you bend over, I go clunk, I hit you on the head, and scoop my Mike.
Oh, a tough guy, huh? Well, I'll show you how we handle tough guys. When we get a guy that does a thing like that, we make them put their hands behind their backs, and we put the handcuffs on them behind their backs. Watch this. I'll show you.
Uh-oh.
You see that? All right, put the other one on me.
Look at that.
Put the other one on me. I'm showing you something.
Yeah, well, you don't have to be a
All right. All right.
How's that, you got it?
All right. Now let me see me do something.
Wow.
Can't do nothing?
Not a thing.
Yeah, well, that's
Go on, ask me to do something. Ask me to get tough.
Go ahead, get tough.
I can't get tough.
Hey, that's a pretty good idea, Mike. I mean, if you did it that way,
Yeah. If you'd listen to me, you'd learn some things, Costello.
I think you're right.
You bet.
I like that idea very much.
That's right. I can't do a thing. I'm helpless.
Hey.
No, can't do a thing.
How you gonna get out?
Oh, here, the key.
Huh?
The key. The key's on my belt there.
Really? I'm gonna keep.
Costello, the key's on my belt.
You're gonna arrest me, and I'm gonna
Unlock the handcuffs and let me out. I just showed you something.
I see the key on your belt. Can you get the key?
Will you please get the key and unlock the handcuffs? Come on.
Oh, of course. I mean, if you can you get it?
Of course I can't get it.
Well, why can't you get the key?
Because my hands are handcuffed behind me.
And you
I
did
just
it.
told you that. Now get it.
Oh,
Come on, get it. All right, get the key.
Dummy.
Get the key, unlock it. Will you get the key, cut? Oh, what are you true? Who are you yelling at? Hello?
Keep your mouth shut. I'll let you have it.
You shut up! Oh, damn it, no. Get that key and get me out! Policeman.
You big dope! Wait till I go up and get Abbott and bring him down and show him how I handcuff you.
Oh, Hillary, I was...
hat off.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was showing the boys how to put handcuffs behind it. Take the key and unlock them, will you? The key, it's right on my belt there. Oh, wait till I get him.
Uh-oh.
Oh, thanks a lot,
There you are,
Hillary.
Mike, and here's the key.
Oh, thanks very much. Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, wait till I get that Costello.
Uh-oh. Trouble now.
Come here. Hello, Mike.
Hey, he's a policeman.
I know that.
Biggest scoop you ever saw.
Careful.
I'm not afraid of him.
You're not allowed.
Shut up. Come on, give me. I ain't afraid of him.
Heard that flap. Uh-oh.
What'd you say, Costello?
Man.
You say he was what? What did you say he was?
You slapped me.
Wait a minute.
Slap
Same
my face.
thing. Yeah. Handcuffed.
Sure as heck.
Yeah.
Go slap.
Just see him grab his hand.
Go slap.
Go on, slap me, Abbott. Go on, slap me.
That's a good one.
Have fun, huh?
I thought he was handcuffed.
He is handcuffed.
My turn.
All right.
My turn.
It's on your- A lot of fun, isn't it? A lot of fun. Yeah.
What's the matter?
So,
I mean,
in the wind.
you have to be afraid of my man.
Oh, no big deal.
Good,
I
dog.
got him all in a handcuff like that. What are you going to cover something out of your Hey, I'm boy, Mike.
Yeah, you see those arms. You know his own.
Hey, Evan!
Yeah. Oh, you in trouble now, Costello. You going to jail. Wow. Yeah, see, that was a great one. I remember Abbott always getting in trouble. They even make parodies of him in the old Bugs Bunny cartoons, where he would laugh and then slowly starts to cry, just like that one, because he knew he was up Craps Creek, and he knew he was done, and that was really, really funny. So thank you for watching that one, and please come and join us on our Patreon page, and come back and enjoy some more videos. That was something. I remember watching these guys when I was little on Sunday mornings after the Sunday morning cartoons around 11 o'clock. Abbott and Costello would come on, and Abbott and Costello versus Frankenstein, the werewolf, Dracula, and their regular TV show. Because they had movies and TV shows. If you go back to the archive videos, I told you they had playing competition back then with Laurel Hardy and a lot of other top tier two-people acts back then. It was just not, it used to be duos back then. And there was heavy competition back then. So thank you so much. Please come on back and enjoy us. And then on our left, or your left, will be our archive videos and the other Abbott and Costello ones too. So thank you for joining us. Please have a great holiday weekend and enjoy your Monday. And it's raining here, so nobody can eat, but maybe on Monday you guys can do some grilling. Peace.